Something's wrong with me.
My good
Everything.
Lord.
Je Chandanov,
I'll give it back. I'll give it back. I'll give it back.
I don't want anyone to see me like this.
Subtitle editor Listen corrector Egorova.
That was scary.
Well, how's my son? Is he alright?
Everything's fine with your son, Brando. Tell me what happened here.
I am so hungry, Bill, so hungry. Nobody has ever wanted to eat as much as I do now.